Wow, this is just so crazy. The future of local AI is in the browser. Look, you just open this website and you can start inferring with the model. This is a text-to-speech model called Parakeet. It's from NVIDIA, and now it's just running on my laptop, a MacBook Pro M3. And look, the real-time factor is at 40x, 35x. It's really, really crazy. And in the same website, I can stop the recording and I can upload an audio. Let's see, I have a podcast. Oh, desktop now. I had a podcast that I wanted to listen to, but maybe I'll just read it. What does it say? Let's see. I'm confused by so many people, why some people have super short timelines, yet at the same time are bullish on scaling up reinforcement learning on top LLMs. And look, it's just transcribing the whole podcast. Real-time factor 22x, so already transcribed 8 minutes in 20 seconds. And again, this is all in my browser directly. I didn't install anything, I didn't have to download anything. It's really, really insane.